Good evening. Welcome to the Olive Grove. Do you have a reservation with us tonight?
Hi, no, I don't. I just walked by and the menu looked great. Do you have a table for one?
Let me check. It's a pretty busy night, but yes, I have a nice small table by the window. Would that be okay?
That sounds perfect. Thank you.
Right this way, please. Here is the menu. My name is James, and I'll be your server tonight. Can I start you off with something to drink?
I'd love a glass of water, please.
Would you prefer sparkling or still?
Just tap water is fine. Actually, looking at the drink menu, I'll also take a glass of the house red wine.
Excellent choice. I'll get those drinks started for you and give you a few minutes to look over the menu. Here is your wine and the water. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
I think I'm ready, but I have a couple of questions. I'm torn between the grilled salmon and the roast chicken. Which one do you recommend?
Both are very popular, but if you want something lighter, I would recommend the salmon. It comes with a lemon butter sauce that is delicious. The chicken is a bit heavier and comes with mashed potatoes.
The salmon sounds great. Does that come with any sides?
Yes, it comes with roasted asparagus and rice pilaf.
Actually, I'm allergic to asparagus. Is it possible to substitute that with something else?
Absolutely. We can swap the asparagus for a side salad or steamed broccoli.
Let's do the side salad, please. And could I get the dressing on the side?
Not a problem. So that's the grilled salmon with rice and a side salad, dressing on the side. Will there be anything else for now? An appetizer to start?
No, I think the main course will be enough. Thank you.
Great. I'll put that order in for you right away. Here we are, the grilled salmon with the side salad. Be careful, the plate is very hot.
It looks amazing. Thank you.
Can I get you anything else right now? Some fresh ground pepper?
Yes, a little pepper on the salad would be nice.
Enjoy your meal. How is everything tasting so far?
It's really delicious. You were right about the sauce on the salmon. It's excellent.
I'm glad you like it. Let me know if you need a refill on that water later.
I'm okay for now, thanks.
Did you save any room for dessert? We have a fantastic homemade tiramisu tonight.
Oh, that sounds tempting, but I am stuffed. I couldn't eat another bite.
I understand. Maybe just a coffee or tea to finish?
Actually, do you have decaf coffee?
We do. I can brew a fresh pot.
That would be lovely, thank you. And could I have the check, please?
Of course. I'll bring the coffee and the bill right out. Here is your coffee. No rush on the bill. Take your time.
Thank you.
All set?
Yes, everything was wonderful.
I'm happy to hear that. Here you go. There are 2 copies there, one for you and one for us.
Thank you, James. Have a great night.
You too. Enjoy the rest of your stay in the city.
Now we discuss all the vocabulary that we use in this conversation. Reservation, a booking made in advance to secure a table. Table for one, asking for a seat for a single person. Sparkling or still. Sparkling has bubbles, carbonated. Still is regular water. On the house, not used in dialogue but useful, means the item is free. Torn between, when you can't decide between 2 options. Substitute or swap, to exchange one food item for another. Dressing on the side, asking for sauce in a small cup, not poured over the food. Stuffed, a casual way to say very full. The check or the bill, the paper showing how much you have to pay.